Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome back to a new video. We miss you a lot, and today we're gonna take a short story, and I'm so excited. But before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a like, and we love you all. In today's video, we are going to talk about the seasons, and in some way they are related to our story. The weather is spring. We can know that the weather is spring. A lazy bear. It's spring in the forest. It's warm and sunny, and all the animals are awake. But Bono, the bear, is still asleep. Bono is very lazy. Because of the big sun, we can know that the weather is hot and the season is summer. Now it's summer. It's hot and there are lots of flowers. The animals are happy because they love summer. But where is Bono? Bono is still asleep. What a lazy bear! In the fall, the leaves are going to be like orange and yellow and brown. So it's fall season and I'm so happy. In the fall, the leaves are red, yellow and orange. The animals are sleepy and they are ready for winter. But where's Bono? Bono is still asleep. He doesn't know that it's fall time. Wow, it's winter. The trees are empty and there are no leaves. And if you look at the ground, you're gonna see it's a white color, which means there's a snow. And there's no sun, there's no green grass, and there's also no animals. But we're still thinking, where's the bear Bono? I don't know. Now in the winter, the weather is cold and no one is outside. So it's winter time. Now it's winter and the animals are all asleep in their warm homes. But where's Bono? Bono is awake. He is in his garden. What a nice long sleep, he says. Oh no, it's winter time. I'm all alone. Bono isn't happy. He goes back to bed. Now it's spring again and the animals play in the forest. They are happy and the world is warm and sunny again. But where's Bono? Bono! Bono! The animals shout. Bono is awake again. He's happy now. He's hungry too. He wants his breakfast. So Bono, good morning. Now we're gonna make a quick revision about the previous seasons we talked about. Spring, we could say that the weather is cool and everyone is happy. Summer, there's a big and huge and smiley sun, but we could say the weather is hot, but still everyone is happy. Fall, where the weather is going to be a little cold, and the leaves are going to be yellow, orange, and brown, but still, it's a cute season. And last season is winter, whereas the weather's going to be cold, and we're gonna have a snow and a snowman, but still, sometimes we miss this cold and this times in the year, right? And we love winter. Now that's it with this video. We learned about the lazy bear and the seasons, and see you in our next video with a great content and things. One more time, don't forget to subscribe our channel and give us a like. We love you all. Goodbye.